Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Quant, QNT, which is probably one of my top favorite cryptocurrencies out there right now in terms of use cases and in terms of potential institutional use. If that sounds interesting, guys, please leave a like on this video and subscribe if you're new. I will be bringing you guys daily crypto content discussing a wide array of different cryptos and projects which I believe have huge potential heading into the next bull run. So make sure you are subscribed. So we're going to be talking about Quant today, which is 33rd ranked out of all the cryptos. So arguably it's a blue chip crypto. However, it's still not there in terms of the top 10 cryptos. It's still not, an Ethereum or a Cardano yet, which to me is absolutely mind-blowing. The fact a coin with this much utility, this much interoperability, and this much potential and current institutional use cases is outside of the top 30 is mind-blowing, right? I believe this coin has certain top 10 potential, and in the next bull run, we will see the true potential of Quant unleashed. Okay, so first things first, I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say in this video is just my opinion only. Always do your own research, guys, before you invest your money. So Quant currently has a market cap of 1.6 billion, which is super low for a project of this magnitude. Now, you guys need to realize that when the bull runs hit, these coins just go to the moon. Like, it's parabolic how fast these coins really skyrocket, right? You can see a coin like this 10, 20, 30x in a bull run, and that's not unrealistic. This coin could be 30 billion in market cap in the next bull run, or 40 billion in market cap in the next bull run. And that might sound crazy, but it really isn't. If you've been into crypto for a while, you will know the likes of gains that happen in crypto during bull runs. And right now, I believe Quant is a really good buy. We might see a retracement more down to the downside. If I show you the TA here, you can see that, we have been on a decline now for the last 3 or 4 weeks. We had a nice rally during the bear market when it was kind of flat, when Bitcoin was trading between 18k and 22k for quite a while. We saw a really nice bit of progress, right? We saw good progress with Quant. If I work it out here, we were up from June, we were basically up around 290%, right? So really good gains for the people who were in Quant. Now, something that's important for me to show you guys is the RSI here right now. The RSI is quite weak, okay? Usually, when a project seems to be a good buy, you see the RSI all the way down here, right? You see it oversold, okay? When it's low around this line here, that means it's oversold, okay? And then when the purple crosses above the yellow, that's a bullish flag, right? And we saw that replicate here, we saw that replicate there, and we saw the price action skyrocket, okay? Quant currently is actually doing the reverse of that right now if you look at the chart here. So does that necessarily mean that Quant won't go on a rally in the next week? Not necessarily, but it means we could potentially see more of a decline with Quant. Now, something interesting to note, Quant was very strong during a bear market. And even though it has took a downward trend during this crash, it could well recover, and this could be the low. However, the RSI will potentially indicate that, we will be potentially going down to this level again to retest that level around 50. However, there's a lot of hype surrounding Quant right now, so the chart doesn't always take into account things like hype, things like, communities behind projects. And right now I can see a lot of people who are supporting Quant. A lot of people think Quant is a great buy, even still at this current price. I'm potentially one of them. Now, I'm not putting it against Quant. I'm not saying that there won't be further declines. I'm not saying that we have bottomed. What I'm saying is that even at $110, Quant is a good buy. And I'll look back at this video in a year's time. I believe we'll see Quant a lot higher than this, maybe $1,000 per token. I'll look back at this video in the future and see this price, and I believe I will be, happy that I bought in. So if we look at the all-time high for Quant, it's $427. $427, even for Quant, I believe is a low all-time high. around 5 billion in market cap. You guys need to realize that when bull markets hit, utility coins can go way above 5 billion in market cap. If we quickly just take a look at a coin like Cardano, right? Classic blue chip coin. If we take a look at Cardano and look at its all-time market cap, you will see this coin spiked all the way up to around 96 billion in market cap. And that's Cardano, right? If we look at another one like Polygon, you can see in the last bull run, this coin again went up really, really high to around 20 billion. So that's the type of range that I'm believing Quant might hit, around 20 billion in market cap. And that's me being conservative. So for me, Quant is a great buy, even with, you know, the current situation. That's not me saying that Quant won't dip any further. It's just me saying that in a year, 2, 3 years time, I believe that you'll look back and see this price and wish you would have bought. And that isn't any form of financial advice, guys. I'm just saying my personal opinion. So, like I said, Quant, really, really interoperable, has major use case potential with, you know, medical industry, DeFi, so many different sectors of the world's institutions. And it says here, we serve banks, asset managers, and other financial institutions and enterprises, and the technology partners and fintech developers who support them. So fintech is going to be big for Quant. The finance industry is a huge, huge industry, and Quant are trying to tap into that. I believe they'll be successful, and I believe they already are being successful, right? For a project like this to hold up so well during a bear market, a horrible bear market, it really is testament to the team of Quant, to the degree of interoperability that it has, and to the technology surrounding Quant. So that's my opinion on Quant, guys. I appreciate all of you guys watching this video. If you did enjoy, please like the video and subscribe for more videos. And also, if you are going to try and take your crypto journey to the next level, guys, head on over to my Patreon. The link is in the description. There's so many benefits here that await you guys if you do sign up to join my Patreon. Literally, all you do to join is literally just press join, and you can pay with Apple Pay, you can pay with a card, you can pay with PayPal. Super, super easy to join, and I believe you guys will get value for your money and huge benefits out of it. In fact, you'll get more than value for money, okay? Because value for money would imply that you put £9.50 in and you make around £10, right? You make a bit of money off it. I don't believe that at all. I believe if you join this Patreon, you actually listen to the buy alerts, you actually take notice of what I'm saying and other VIPs in my Patreon. I believe you'll certainly, 10x your money into the next bull run. That isn't any form of financial advice. It's just my opinion. Minimum 10x if you follow my portfolio. I believe it has 100x potential, some of the gems that I'm holding, and 1000x potential, some of the gems I'm holding. But I have to be real with you guys. Minimum 10x I'm expecting in the next bull run. I believe it will go way, way higher than that. My Patreons believe it will go way, way higher than that. Some of the coins I'm holding, I believe, have 1000x potential. If you want to see all those gems, you can join for £9.50 a month. If you want to see exactly when I'm buying these gems, exactly when I'm selling these gems, exactly when I'm staking these gems, become an elite tier member. For £18.50, you get buy, sell, and stake alerts. And then if you want to become a VIP, this is where the true intelligent people and ambitious individuals hang out, right? We're talking about really high potential cryptos with 1000x potential, and these guys are getting all my ideas super, super early compared to everyone else. So come join us, guys. Patreon saw this video early. They saw it before everyone else. So if you want a whole host of benefits, the link is in the description. I appreciate all of you guys watching. Have a really good rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye, guys.